Aslamoalaikum. Basin, 3 cup. Red chili, 2 teaspoons. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Coriander seed. Well mix. Green chili, 1 cup. Onion, cutting. Halak. Water. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Red chili, 1 teaspoon. Soda. Well mix. Oil. Pakora masala. Yogurt, 1 cup. Basin, 2 cup. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Salt. Red chili, 2 teaspoons. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Salt. Oil. Kari pada. Green chili and garlic, ginger paste. Masala water. Yogurt basin. Water. 15-20 mince cook. Oil. Fry pakora. Ready. Add kari. Oil. Red chili. Subscribe to my channel. Green chili. Coriander leaf. Subscribe to the channel. Ready my recipe. Allah Hafiz.